Hi guys! So we are here right now at the ruins dito sa Talisay, Negros Occidental. This is a tourist spot and must go ng mga turista dito sa Negros. So, first time dito ni Kayla and ni Joni. Ako, nakarating na ako dito, I think, a couple of times. So, gusto ko sa kanilang ipasyal dito para matutunan nila yung history ng lugar na ito. Ha? Okay, so right now guys, ang daming tao. Ang daming turista. Dati pumupunta kami dito, marami rin tao, pero ngayon iba talaga. Ang daming tao, really. Buti na lang yung ang maganda, hindi mainit ngayon. At nagkaroon na siya ng mga restaurant, ganyan no, may kainan. Dati wala eh. And pagpunta namin dito, Johnny is like mga more than a year old lang. And it was built by Don Mariano Lacson. Ito yung parang Taj Mahal ng Negros. Tapos, nung Japanese invasion, so para hindi gawing kuta ng mga Japanese, the owner preferred to burn his own house kaysa pakinabangan ng mga Japanese. So, ayan yung natira sa nasunog. They said that it was 3 days burning dahil sa mga wood na nasusunog yung mga kahoy niya siguro matibay. So, it took 3 days to burn the wooden part and yan ang natira. Kaya siya tinawag na ruin. So, the upper looks like this. Nilagyan siguro nila ng plastic bay para pag umulan. Kasi may po namamasyal kahit umuulan. Para hindi yung umambi. Tapos yun yung stairs. Yung mga sahig for the second floor is nasunog, obviously.
One of the oldest sons, the revolutionary hero, General Aniceto Quezon, would leave his mark on the struggle for independence.
Typewriter. And this is, what's the name? Maria?
Maria
Braga. And then the husband is? Okay, so ito yung parang pinaka-facade ng house. Imagine during those years, nakapatayo sila ng ganito kagandang bahay. That means they are very rich. And it took them 3 years to complete the building of this house. And only 3 days to burn it down para hindi ma-occupy ng Japanese. Tama naman. It's better na they burned it down kaysa inoccupy siya ng Japanese. And, okay. I'll take picture of you. Maraming tao, always. Ang entrance fee dito is 150 for adults and 80 pesos for student and PD. So, right now, wait lang. What's that, John? Is it a wishing well?
Like actual well talaga.
A real well? Oh.
I think
Okay. So, the area was what's this kaya, John? Is it a restaurant or a souvenir shop? Let's try to see. Okay. Ay, parang, wala na. Ang galing, oh. May mga tanim. Parang inaalagaan nila yung mga tanim. No? Is this the way out? I think this is the way out already. Tingnan mo, John, we have like this doon sa backyard natin. Ito, tanim. Ito. We have like that. But I'm not even eating it. Thank you. Come again. So they put a marker here. Yeah. So the owner, Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson, was Okay. It's too small. Yeah, bili tayo. Try natin. Kahit hindi pa rin ako nakatry eh. No, let's just let him taste. Yan, try natin. Arrival, kailangan nyo pumasok dito para kumuha ng ticket. Meron silang mga parking area. Malawak ang parking at nung dumating kami kanina dito is maraming sasakyan. It's nice to go here na hindi pa masyadong tirik ang araw or bandang hapon na hindi na masakit sa balat yung init. And also maganda rin yung lighting sa ruins kapag paggabi na. So yun yung best time to come to this place.